when the integer k is divided by 18, the quotient is x and the remainder is 5. And when an integer k is divided by 29, the quotient is y and the remainder is 13. So which of the following equations is true? So this is a classic question based on the simple rule of divisibility, which says that dividend is equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. So we are going to use this equation twice. Why twice? Because there are two such conditions given. Now dividend is the one which is getting divided, which is k. It is divisor is the one which is dividing it, which is 18. Quotient is definitely quotient and the remainder is 5. So that is what the first condition says. This is k, this is 18, this is x, and this is 5. And let's call it equation 1. And likewise, the second equation says that k is equal to 29y plus 13. That is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, since we have to find a relation between x and y, we have to get rid of k. So definitely we can get rid of k, because from 1 and 2 both are basically the equation, basically the values of k. So we are going to say that from first and second, if we eliminate k, then 18x plus 5 is actually equal to 29y plus 13. So let's bring x and y over on one side. So let's subtract 29y on both the sides, and that's how it looks like. And finally, let's subtract 5 on both sides, because the constant should be on the other side. So that's 18x minus 29y is equal to 13 minus 5 is definitely 8. So this is the required equation, which matches with option B. Thank you.